Hello and welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can create a flip book. In case you don't know what a flip book is, this is what a flip book is. And you can create this in Canva. So this is suitable when you're designing a brochure, for instance, a magazine, and you want to share with your client. You can share it using a flip book by converting it to a flip book. So I'll be demonstrating that using this workbook that I created for our feature creators book camp. Did I say book camp? Boot camp that that was held over the weekend. All right. So to create a flip book, you need to go to apps to search for the app called Flipbook. This is the name of the app, Flipbook Public. That's the name of the app. Now, if you're using this app for the first time, you'll be required to connect to create an account to sign up with Flipbook. But because I have already created an account with Flipbook, I have already signed up using my email account, I can access it. So, but if you're using it for the first time, you'll be required to connect the Flipbook to your Canva account. All right. So here we have different page turn effects. There's card, there's flip, and there's slide. If I click on any of these, I can see the preview right here. So this is what it looks like if it were to be a card. If I click on flip, this is how it flips. And then if I click on slide, this is what I will get. But my interest is flip because I'm creating a flip book. So with flip selected, I'll click on export design and then I'll give it a moment. All right. So here I have 25 pages of my design. Now, if I don't want all the pages to appear in this here in my flip book, I can just unselect the page. But of course, I want all my pages to appear. So I'll just click on done. So all my pages will show in the flip book. Now I'll go ahead to click on export. All right, so my design has been converted to Flipbook. I'm going to open it right now so we see exactly what we have done. I'll click on open. So here it is, our Flipbook. Once I click on this, this is it. It will be flipping just like this. Now, if you want, so once you want to share, you can either click on this share here or download. If you click on this button now, you can download this and then share it as a flip book. So if there's any correction your client wants to make, the person will just go through it, note it down, and then send you a message on it. So this is the best way to share your design. But as I like to point out that this app is actually not free. There's a free trial though, but once your free trial ends, you will be required to pay. So just look at the various plans and see which one works for you. But I haven't exhausted my free trial, so I'm still using my free trial, and that's why I am able to make this tutorial. So check it out. So that's it. I hope you learned something. Ensure you give me a like. If you have a question, leave it in the comment section. And if you found this valuable, give me a like, share with your friends, and I'll see you on the next one.